Lecture 5, Embracing Impermanence. Embark on a profound contemplation of the very essence of impermanence, the pulsating core of Zen philosophy that resonates through the fabric of existence like an eternal heartbeat echoing across the cosmos. In this enlightening fifth chapter of our profound odyssey through the intricate depths of Zen, we extend a heartfelt invitation to delve into the profound concept of impermanence and its pivotal role in shaping the intricate tapestry of existence. Here, amidst the perpetual undulations of life's ceaseless symphony, we shall embark on a transformative odyssey, not only learning the sacred art of releasing attachments, but also discovering profound serenity in the perpetual dance of change that envelops us. Understanding that the very impermanence of life is what lends it a sense of profound beauty and depth. The essence of impermanence. Impermanence, often referred to as the universal law of change, is more than a passing phase. It is the very heartbeat of life itself, pulsating through the veins of the universe. It embodies the perpetual cycle of creation and dissolution, birth and transformation, intricately interwoven into the cosmic tapestry of existence. Embracing the profound understanding that nothing remains stagnant, we are called upon to honor the transient nature of all things, holding each fleeting moment in reverence as it slips through our grasp, leaving behind the gentle whisper of its ephemeral beauty, reminding us that the only constant in life is change. Letting go of attachments. In the pursuit of inner peace, we must master the delicate art of letting go, understanding that the roots of suffering often lie in our attachments to transient phenomena. Zen gently guides us to recognize that attachments, whether to material possessions, relationships, or even our own identities, often become the source of our suffering, binding us to a cycle of longing and disappointment. By embracing the impermanence that weaves through the fabric of existence, we gather the courage to release our grip on that which we hold dear, enabling us to traverse life with a sense of liberation and unencumbered grace, unshackled from the burdens of attachment that weigh heavily on the soul, allowing us to flow freely with the river of life's constant changes. Serenity in flux. In the ceaseless flux that engulfs us, we come to realize that true serenity is not found in resisting the currents of change, but in learning to sway harmoniously with their undulating rhythms. Zen beckons us to discover tranquility amidst chaos, to find peace even in the heart of uncertainty's tempest. By embracing the impermanence inherent in life, we nurture a profound sense of inner equilibrium, an unshaken sanctuary amid the relentless tides of change, enabling us to navigate life's tumultuous waters with unwavering poise and inner tranquility, recognizing that the very essence of life's beauty lies not in its stability, but in its perpetual dance of transformation and renewal. The beauty of transience. Impermanence unveils a unique beauty inherent in the transient nature of all things, a beauty that transcends the limitations of temporal existence and touches the very soul of the universe. It teaches us to cherish each fleeting moment, each transient experience as a fragile blossom gracing the eternal garden for a bud a fleeting moment, reminding us of the ephemeral nature of mortal existence, and encouraging us to savor each passing second with heightened awareness and profound gratitude. By recognizing the inherent beauty of transience, we learn to live each moment with profound mindfulness and deep appreciation, understanding that each passing second is a precious gift to be cherished, treasured, and held close to the heart. For it is in these fleeting moments that the essence of life's profound mysteries reveal themselves, inviting us to embrace the impermanence as a source of wonder and awe, navigating the river of change. In this profound journey, we should delve into the art of navigating the river of change with grace and wisdom, drawing inspiration from the profound wisdom of impermanence that has guided sages and seekers for centuries. We shall unearth a multitude of practical techniques and meditative practices, empowering us to embrace the impermanent nature of existence with open arms, finding solace and enlightenment amidst the perpetual ebb and flow of life's eternal cycle, recognizing that the very impermanence that may seem daunting is in fact a source of profound wisdom and insight that can guide us to a deeper understanding of the interconnectedness of all things. As we venture through this sacred exploration, be prepared to witness the unveiling of a newfound sense of peace, a profound understanding of the interconnectedness of all things, and a deep reverence for the eternal dance of impermanence that graces the intricate tapestry of our lives, guiding us to a profound sense of interconnectedness and spiritual fulfillment.